Welcome to our new video of ScoreSmart. Today we are going to see a trick on how you can write the table of 6 times table with a even number. Let's start. To start, 6 times 0, 6 times 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. We divide this into two parts. Then we start writing our left side. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave the 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Easy, the left side is easy. Now let's write right side. Starting with 6. Starting with 0. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Again in ascending order. 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Your 6 times table with even numbers is ready. Isn't it easy? Thank you for watching this video. For more such videos, please subscribe to ScoreSmart Private Tuitions. Thank you.